Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change Equalizer preset for the headphones Moto Buds Plus. You have to start by open Moto application, now click on Sound, Equalizer, and right here you have 5 choices. So I prefer Bass Boost, I click on it. Also you can change custom preset and do it the best one for you. Like this. And if you don't like it, just click on 3 dots, reset, and that's it. So I leave with Bass Boost. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.